I'm going to take all these supplies and we're going to make this painting. Alright, so today I'm actually going to make paw print paintings on canvas. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these supplies that I have right here. It's just little paintbrushes. I got finger paints because I wanted something non-toxic because it is going to go on my puppy's paws and I don't want him to get sick. I got this canvas. The paints and the brushes I actually got at the dollar store. So you can get these at any dollar store. The canvas, however, I did get at Walmart, but you can get smaller ones from the dollar store. So I guess let's get started. I'm gonna open this. Might help if I had something to open it with.
That's what the X-Acto knife's there for.
Yeah, I know. Filming our production manager.
He's over behind the scenes making sure you're doing your job right. Uh-oh, he's coming over your side.
Probably like, Mom, what are you doing?
I don't like this idea.
Alright, so I got the canvas open. Oh, got little
Stretchers
for the canvas. Let me get them out. If I can get them off. Yeah, there. There we go. Okay, I got it. Alright. So I'm going to open up the paints and see the consistency. I don't know how thick it's going to be, and I don't want it too thick because I'm going to have to dip his paw. Let's see what it is. Oh, that's good. That's not too thick. Okay, good. So that's good. So I'm going to take out the yellow and the green because I want to use yellow and green for ours because our apartment's kind of like a blue, yellow, gold theme. It's Batman themed. So, all right. So I'm going to use the yellow and the green for mine. Right now, I'm actually got my production manager Gizmo up on the table. He's a little scared because he's not afraid. He's a little afraid. He doesn't know what's going on. He just got groomed the other day, and he thinks he's getting groomed again. And he's not a fan. As you can see, he's got a nice new haircut. So it's okay, baby. So I'm going to take his paw, just the pad, and I'm going to place it in the paint, and I'm going to just place a couple, don't eat it, place a couple paw prints. Come here, baby. Let's do your back paw. Maybe that'll be better.
Yeah, that's probably easier.
Okay, hope so.
I like it.
There.
Alright, hold on. All done.
I'm so sorry. Oh, honey.
All done.
I hate when he does this. All right, so now that the production manager Gizmo is eating his treat and he's calmed down, he's a little bit of a drama king. So he was not hurt. Just
not happy.
He's just not happy. He doesn't like anything having to do with grooming or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is actually take this very small brush and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fill in some of the spots because you can see on the canvas some of the places didn't quite fill in. So I'm just going to fill it in just a little bit to make it a little darker. So I'm just going to take a little on the brush. And just try to get it a little darker on the canvas. I could probably take a little off of this because it's got a little extra. And he's had his paws clean, so nobody worry about that. Alright, so now I'm going to actually take the green. I'm going to take a bigger brush and I'm going to draw stems and leaves so it looks like flowers. Because right now it just looks like globs of yellow paint. So I can actually probably use what's on this lid. And I'm going to use a bigger brush for this. So I'm going to start here and just work my way down. Doesn't have to be perfect, so I can always go over it again. Make it a little darker. And you're just dragging the brush down. Like I said, you don't have to make it perfect right away. Just try to keep it as straight as possible. But you just want to...
Well, I don't know if you necessarily need it straight. It's just as even as possible.
Yeah. Okay. Ooh, I'm dropping the brush. Oh, I got paint on me. That's okay, no big deal. Alright, so now that I've got that, I'm going to just do a couple more off to the side, just as little...
So while she's doing that, she's going to do that. She's going to fill in some leaves. We're going to go ahead and put this in time-lapse mode.
About 20 minutes total, and that's including washing Gizmo's paw, so this was really easy to do, and it's something you can do in like no time at all. I know everybody's probably freaking out about Gizmo and his paw. He's fine, I promise. But I did make this.
He's right there eating treats.
Yeah, he's eating treats. He's very happy right now. But I did want to make this aware that I made it kind of look like a kid did it, and there is a reason for that. Because he's our kid, so like I wanted it to be like, oh, this is to mommy. So, but I did write his name out up at the top, and this will be something we can keep forever, even after the unfortunate stuff in the future. So, thank you, and
anyway, if you like this video, guys, like it down below, subscribe, share with your friends. You can find us on Twitter and Facebook at MakeShapeCreate, and at if you want to contribute, at patreon.com/MakeShapeCreate. And we'll be back next week with another video.
All right. Bye, guys.